This is Prof, the real God, the king of entries. Welcome to School of Entry 2.0. In this episode of 2.0, I want you to say bye-bye to your losses, bye-bye in terms of blowing accounts. This is a mind-blowing strategy that you are never going to find on YouTube or everywhere. So, be my guest. Let me take you for a ride. As you all know, we have got three types of players in the market. We have got institutes, we have got banks, and we have got retail traders. In some other ways, if you want to make a lot of money in the market, you need to trade like an institute or trade like a bank, because if you trade like a retail trader, you cannot survive in this industry. I have seen a lot of people that have been trading for 6 years, nothing to show off, simply because that they want to trade like retail traders. But in this video, I'm going to show you how institute and banks they trade, and you're going to make a lot of money. So join me, take a seat, put on a seatbelt, let me take you for a drive. Okay, so as you all know, we have got different time frames in the market. You can see on top we have got M1, M3, M5, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour. These are the time frame that retail traders they trade on specifically, but the big boys they trade on daily, weekly, and monthly, even a year. So in some other ways, right now I'm going to give you a strategy which is called institutional numbers. Okay, so now, as you all know, what makes you a trader, it is not only your entry and everything like that, is when you are able to identify where the market is going to go to the entire month, where the market is going to go to the entire week, or what is going to happen in the entire day. If you can get this, then trust me, trading to you, it will be a walk in a play park. So let me take you, pay attention to what I'm teaching you right now. So if you want to know where price is going to go to the entire month, you need to check on a monthly time frame. If you want to check where price is going to go to in a week, you need to check on a weekly time frame candle. If you want to check what is going to happen the next day, you need to check in this day, the next day. Okay, so in some other ways, I want you to know something. If I want to, this candle, it closes every after 1 month on a monthly time frame. This candle closes every after 1 week on a weekly time frame. This candle closes every day on a daily time frame. So if I want to check, for example, we are in November. If I want to check what is going to happen in the next month of December, this candle is going to tell me what to do. If I want to check what is going to happen next week, I'll need to wait for this candle to close on a Friday. Then I'm going to get the direction for the entire week. If I want to check what is going to happen tomorrow, I'll wait for this candle to close. Then that's how we get direction for the entire week. In some other ways, I'm going to take you right now, because I was just trying to explain to you right now. So I know you are asking yourself, then how do we draw or know institutional numbers? I'm going to guide you and show you step by step on the chart. I was just trying to explain to you something on a theory. So stay tuned, wait for the next episode that you are going to watch, and I want you to know that this is your last bus stop. Forex Nasdaq billionaires, Prof himself, I'm going to give you something that YouTube cannot give you, what other mentors, these jokers, cannot give you. So wait on my next episode. See you there.
Thank you for watching.